Chances are, if you're watching this video, you've been searching for different ways to treat your tinnitus, or perhaps even looking for that elusive cure for tinnitus. According to the National Institutes of Health, approximately 25% of Americans experience tinnitus, and 2% of Americans experience debilitating levels of this condition. If you're one of the millions of people who suffers from this ringing and buzzing inside of your ears, then I would bet that you're willing to try almost anything to get rid of it. And one of the most common ways that people choose to address their tinnitus is by taking one or more popular supplements intended to reduce that annoying ringing. But what are these supplements that are used to treat tinnitus, and how effective are they?